Can you tell what this video is yet? This is a humongous bag and it's really heavy, so let me put it on the floor and introduce this video. Hello, good afternoon. Today, as you can see, is an IKEA haul. I've been to IKEA this morning with Anthony. Let's just move that camera back to where it was so it's got a good picture. We bought quite a few things. So this is why I look like this. This is why I got a nice cold drink. Got the receipt. I'm ready. So we're doing our bathroom up at the moment, and that is why we need an IKEA trip, is to buy a bunch of new stuff for the bathroom. So I'm going to show you all these things. It was probably the best IKEA trip we've ever had. This is, I think we worked out our 4th one since having the house in a year. Let me catch my breath. So I went online first before we went to IKEA, and I knew everything we needed. I knew the pricing, I knew if it was in stock at the Leeds IKEA that we went to today. Leeds isn't our closest one, but we was already in the area, so we decided for the day would go there as well. So I'm going to crack on and get everything done. Okay, so let's start with pretty boring stuff, right? We got towels. We got 2. These are the bed sheet towels, and these are Heron towels. They are basically just grey ones. I believe they have a hook or something, I don't know, because they're tied together. This is why I need to film this video, so I could get this all out. So yes, 2. These are to go on the back of the door, so they're matching, or nice ones. And they are going to go on the back of the door on this. It goes that way. This, I'm not even going to try and pronounce this. Basically some hooks. They are just basic white ones. And IKEA towels, I believe all of them, all have the hooks on it, so they all go on here on the back of the door. Because we don't actually have much storage in our bathroom for our towels and things. So we've literally got under the sink and that's it. So this is why I was trying to find ways to, I don't know really. Another thing for storage, this is really heavy. It's basically for your toilet roll. It's one of these holdy things. Oh, I haven't said the prices. So the towels were £5 each. This hangy thing was towel rack. Is that what it is? Yeah, it's £3. That's pretty good. And then this for the toilet roll, like I was saying, is because we've got no storage and we need somewhere to start toilet roll. So we got one of these. These is the longest one IKEA do, and this is called the what? Ballongun. Ballongun. The Ballongun toilet roll is £13. For towels, we also got one of the Heron hand towels. This will go on our heated towel radiator thing. This was £1.75. Pretty good. We also got a new bath max. One I got originally from H&M Home when we first bought the house. Actually turned out to be quite small, but I never returned it, I just used it. This is basically the exact same, a bit softer, but it is quite a bit bigger. As you can see the ends? It's quite a bit bigger. The bath mat is the Tuft Bow, and it was £6.50. Also for the bathroom, I thought we needed some more nice looking stuff. As you can tell, grey is the theme in the bathroom. We have got grey tiles and dark wood floor panels, which haven't yet been inserted in the bathroom. So this stuff will all have to wait to go in into like a week's time. So the next thing is this. It is the soap dispenser. This is the Echelon and this was £4.50. This is probably the prettiest one. I did think on the website it was round, but as you can see it's not rounded, but I still think it's really quite pretty, isn't it? Like, as far as soap dispensers go in a house, it's quite pretty. So now it doesn't matter what soap we buy, as long as we can put it in this, it'll look nice. So, you know, these are the things you buy when you're a homeowner and you're 21 years old. So the last thing for the bathroom is a nice decorative thing. And I've seen this quite a bit on pictures. A lot of bathrooms have greenery in them. So I thought, as the windowsill's got absolutely nothing on it, and the windowsill in a bathroom is just a bit ill, isn't it? So I thought we'd make it decorative with having some cacti. So there are, oh, that reflection in the window. So there's 3 cacti, as you can see. They're all in a grey pot, obviously to go with the room. They're all going to be spread out along the windowsill, and I think this will look quite good. Because the thing we're going for in the bathroom is more of a like spa-like feel, because it's got a jacuzzi bath in it. We have a shower downstairs, so that's kind of like where you quickly need to shower, wash your hair and all that, but the bathroom is a nice place to be. Pamper nights and that kind of thing, so I thought they would go quite nice. And these are the real ones. We ummed and ahed over the artificial ones or the real ones, but real ones last quite a while. They're quite easy to maintain, so, and I'm pretty sure they'll be easy to pick up and get some fresh ones if ever needed, because then the pots you get to keep. So yes, the cacti, they were £4.50 for 3. So the last few bits we have got are all actually for outside, because we are also doing our outdoors at the moment, our garden. We've recently just got a table, so that's why these few things I've got. So first of all, we've got an outdoor bench with a storage thing in it, and the top of it is plastic, and it's pretty uncomfortable anyway, but it gets really hot in this weather. So to help that, we bought some seat cushions, but looking at it now, I think these seat cushions might be a bit too big. Like, they are pretty huge. These I know were £12 each, because these weren't the original ones we was going to go for. We saw these on the way out, and when we put the ones we originally was going to get next to these, there was quite a big difference. And I panicked and thought, oh, actually maybe we do need the bigger ones. So we got the bigger ones. These are the Hello. And like I said, they were £12 and we bought 2 of them. And like I said, we bought a table for outside. I've just given you a sneak peek then. But the glass on the top, although it says it's temperature, whatever you call it, resistant I think it says, it gets pretty hot. So I bought these placemats. They are just the fabric-y ones. These are the Godag. Anyway, but these are just a nice black and white pattern. They are woven, I believe. I think these will just look nice on it because it is a black table. So I've got 2 of these, and these were £2.75 each. So for 2 of them it was £5.50. So that is it for my IKEA haul. You can see the majority of it here. Spent a bit more than I was expected to, but that's because we switched out a few things that we was going to get for more expensive versions. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope to see you in a brand new video very soon. Bye.